Java. So like I said, my name's Austin. I would want to say thanks for allowing me to host this session. So for today, is what IDEs or integrated development environment you should use for Java, the data types, the variables, the conditionals. As of today, it is currently being ran on over 30 billion devices across the world.
So today I'll be presenting the C++ workshop to follow along.
Today we're going to go over AI and Python. But first, a little bit about me. I'm a junior. Get started with the workshop. So what we're going to be doing is using OpenAI's ChatGPT feature inside of Python.